Hi everyone! In this video, I will show main functionality of DELTAHUB and how it really looks and feels. Hope you'll enjoy because it's showcase of
DELTAHUB.
As soon as you launch DELTAHUB, you are greeted with a convenient mod list that includes mods from Game Banana, as well as DELTAHUB's internal server. You can sort already loaded mods, filter them by tags, and switch between the 5 games supported by DELTAHUB, including Deltarune, Undertale, and Pizza Tower. You can also customize how many mods are displayed on a single page. The more your number, the more mods will be loaded. You can enable auto sort, which automatically sorts the mod list based on your selected criteria. Additionally, you can switch between 3 different Game Banana sorting modes. If you can't find a mod in the list or are looking for a specific one, you can use the search feature, which will reliably help you find the mod you need. By clicking on a mod, you can view not only its basic information, but also open the mod details window, either by pressing the details button or simply double-clicking the mod, where you'll find all the necessary information and screenshots. Finally, when you want to download a mod, just press the install button, and if the mod uses one of the supported formats, it will be installed automatically. You can check its status by the text shown to the right of the Game Banana label. If a mod has multiple files that are compatible with the supported formats, clicking the uninstall button will open a window where you can select the file you want and view all the necessary information about it. By clicking the chat button at the bottom, you open a separate chat window with 5 channels for communication. The chat is completely anonymous, but it is moderated, and inappropriate messages are removed. The chat displays a maximum of 100 messages at a time. And you can also customize how many messages you want to see simultaneously, from 1 to 100. At the top left, you can access settings to configure the most important options. You can instantly change the language to one of the 5 available languages, or even create your own, change the font, and more. DELTAHUB has auto updates, but you can enable beta updates to receive the latest, potentially unstable updates. You can turn on launch via Steam to run games through Steam, supporting overlays and achievements. Other options include hiding filters in the library, enabling full screen mode, and even selecting a custom executable file to launch your game through. You can fully customize DELTAHUB to your liking, covering all the main elements: text, buttons, lists, and more. You can add background music, change the launch sound, and, of course, change the background to either an image or a GIF. You can also export your themes to save them or share with others, including backgrounds and sounds. Finally, once you've installed the mods you need, you can go to the library, where all you have to do to launch a game with the selected mods is click on a mod and use it. You can also double-click a mod to open its folder. For games with a chapter-based system, such as Deltarune, you can enable chapter mode. This allows you to apply mods selectively to the chapters you want, and only those chapters will use the mods, even if the mod includes files for other chapters as well. The main feature of chapter mode is direct launch, which lets you start the game directly from a specific chapter, skipping the chapter selection menu. To choose a chapter for direct launch, simply double-click it. You can both export your mods to easily share them and import mods as well. You can import a mod locally from one of the many supported archive formats, or simply paste a link. The launcher will automatically download the required archive and import the mod without any manual steps from you. Games that are already freely available to anyone can, for convenience, be downloaded directly through DELTAHUB without any hassle. Right after installation, the launcher automatically sets up all the required paths. All you need to do is select your mods and launch the game. If you don't want to open DELTAHUB every time just to launch a game with mods, you can select the game, choose additional settings, pick the desired mod, and then create a shortcut in any location. Launching this shortcut will immediately start the game with all the selected settings applied. One of the most important features of DELTAHUB is the ability to select multiple mods at the same time. You can set priorities between mods to decide which parts from which mod will be used in case of conflicts. You can also create a mod pack with selected mods and their priorities in advance. So after the initial merge, which usually takes some time, you can instantly use it as a mod pack. If you plan to share a mod pack for reliability, use the option to create X-Delta patches within the mod pack. But keep in mind that users whose game files differ even slightly from yours will not be able to run that mod pack. You can also use fast merging, which significantly speeds up the merging process, especially when selecting a large number of mods. DELTAHUB's merging system combines all the required resources from the selected mods without issues, and if conflicts do occur, you can resolve them by adjusting priorities. In the past, merging even small mods could take anywhere from 5 minutes to up to an hour. In DELTAHUB, when using fast merging, the entire process takes from 30 seconds to 10 minutes in the worst case. And finally, if the built-in features aren't enough for you, you can download plugins that provide additional useful functionality. You can also create your own plugins, or simply use what the community has already made. Available plugins include X-Delta Patcher, which works just like Delta Patcher. There's also a built-in mod editor that allows you to create and edit both local and public mods. That is, mods published on DELTAHUB's internal server. Finally, there's a save management plugin for Deltarune, where you can view your saves for each chapter, create separate save collections for your needs, and edit specific values in a save slot by double-clicking it. Most importantly, with this plugin enabled, when you launch Deltarune, you'll be greeted with a window where you can immediately select the save collection you want. And after playing, everything you did in the game will be saved to that collection. At this point, that's the most important information you need to know about DELTAHUB. Without going into smaller details, you'll find additional information as well as links to Discord and Telegram in the description. Thank you all for watching, and please don't forget to report bugs in a timely manner. It helps both me and future DELTAHUB users. See you soon.